Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will show how to remove a Volvo S90 door panel. First, gather your essential tools, including a trim removal kit and a Torx T25 screwdriver. Begin by carefully prying off the small cover located directly behind the interior door handle. Once that cover is off, you will find a single Torx T25 screw. Unscrew this fastener completely to prepare for the next steps in the process. Next, use your trim tool to gently pry up the entire window switch panel. Be careful not to scratch any surfaces. Once the panel is loose, disconnect all the electrical connectors attached to the back of the switch assembly. You might find 1 or 2 additional screws hidden underneath this panel, so be sure to remove those as well. Now, starting from one corner, carefully work your trim tool around the entire perimeter of the door panel. Gently pry outwards to release all the retaining clips holding the panel to the door frame. Once the clips are free, lift the panel slightly away from the door to access the door handle cable and any remaining electrical connections. Detach these carefully. With all clips released and cables disconnected, you can now lift the entire door panel upwards and away from the door frame. Take your time to ensure no wires are still attached and that the panel comes off smoothly. Remember to check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals. Reinstallation is simply the reverse of these steps. You've successfully removed your Volvo S90 door panel.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.